Hey there, welcome back. Friends, in our last video, we have checked this application.properties file. Now friends, this file is very important. This file is useful for overriding the default values of our Spring Boot application. Now there are like default values which Spring Boot application uses. Now whenever we would like to override the default values, this application.property file is important. Apart from that, we can also view these two folders. These are again default locations, and as the name suggests, inside the template folder we can keep the template related stuff, whereas the static folder is there in order to keep the static files like CSS file, JS files, things like that. Alright, now in this course we won't worry about web module. We will focus related to the RESTful API, which we will build in our forthcoming videos. But as of now, let us try to understand the application.property file real quick. Now friends, if you Google for example, application.properties Spring Boot, then you will definitely get like multiple search result, and the first search result is from spring.io. And if I open this in a new tab, then this will show up the common Spring property, and the list is really long and you can definitely override the values. This documentation is important, so whenever you would like to override some default values, you can specify the specific updated value inside your application.property file. Now the name of the exact property can be found inside this particular document. This document is really important. The name of the property is again very important. It is case sensitive and the properties must be accurate in order to override the default values. Now for example, if I search for view file, then definitely we would be able to see these two properties, spring.mvc.view.prefix and spring.mvc.view.suffix. These are the two values which we have overridden. Alright, so check out this documentation if there is a requirement of overriding the default values. Alright, so this was a quick and important information related to application.properties file, and that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day and take care.